Hello, and welcome to this lesson on the Big 6. First, let me introduce myself. I am the librarian, Mrs. Benjegerdes-Wiegreffe. The purpose of today's lesson is to learn about the Big 6 process model and how it can be used for research, such as your upcoming research project for your biology class. Today's lesson is based on several standards that pertain to research, information literacy, or problem-solving skills. The state standard that applies to your project is the Biology Standard C.3F, which says that students are able to research and describe the history of biology and contributions of scientists. The Common Core standard we are working towards in this lesson is the 7th writing standard for grades 9 through 10. It basically states that you will be able to construct research projects to answer a question or solve a problem. The ISTE, or International Society for Technology and Education standard for students is standard 5B, which says students are able to identify and collect relevant data, use digital tools to analyze the data, and represent the data in various ways to solve a problem. And finally, the AASL, or the American Association of School Librarians, standard D1, which coincides with the IST standard and states that students can perform ongoing analysis and reflection of the quality, usefulness, and accuracy of information resources. With all that being said, what does all that have to do with the Big 6? The Big 6 is a process model for the information problem-solving process, which is just a fancy way of saying a way to figure out problems, a step-by-step process to problem solving, or a certain way to satisfy a need for information. It's a unique approach to problem solving. In this case, our information problem that we need to solve is done through research, but it can be applied to all subjects and areas throughout your life. And it's not just problems in school or for assignments. It can be used for everyday problem solving or someday when you need to problem solve at your job. What is also important about the Big 6 is that it incorporates technology and information literacy, or your ability to understand and interpret information. So in summary, the Big 6 is a way to go through the research process that uses information literacy skills to solve information problems. In this blend space, there are several items. You've already done the first by viewing this introduction video. Next, take the pre-assessment. Don't worry if you don't know all the answers. By the time you finish with this lesson, you should be able to ace it. After you take the pre-assessment, view the Big 6 videos that explain the Big 6 process in more detail. Also, refer to the handout about the Big 6 process. It will be a helpful document for when you are going through the Big 6 steps and has useful resources about the Big 6 process. Finally, watch the conclusion video that sums everything up. By the end of this lesson, you should be well prepared to start your biology research project using the Big 6 process. In conclusion, the purpose of today's lesson is to learn about the Big 6 and see how it can be used to conduct research for your biology assignment. The standards that go with today's lesson are based on conducting research, information literacy, and problem solving. Each of these are addressed in the information problem-solving model, the Big 6. You will learn all about this process after you complete the pre-assessment, view the videos, refer to the handout, and watch the conclusion video. Thanks for watching this video. See you at the end.